In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide slides in PowerPoint quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick when you want to keep a slide in your presentation, but you don't want it to show during your slideshow. It's perfect for backup slides, optional content, or extra information you may want to use later without deleting anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure you're in normal view. This is the standard editing view where you can see your slide thumbnails on the left side of the screen. If you're not already in normal view, click the normal option from the view tab so you can easily access the slide list. Once you're in normal view, look at the left side panel where all your slides are displayed as thumbnails. Find the slide you want to hide. Then right-click directly on that slide thumbnail. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Hide Slide. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint will mark the slide as hidden. You'll notice the slide becomes slightly faded or dimmed compared to the others. That faded look tells you the slide is hidden and will not appear during your slideshow presentation. And that's it. The slide is still in your file, but it won't be shown when you present unless you unhide it later. This is a really simple way to manage your presentation flow and keep extra slides ready just in case you need them. If you want to unhide the slide later, just right-click it again and click Hide Slide one more time to toggle it back on. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips, tricks, and tutorials.